Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marissa if you're new here. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys and showing you guys how to curl your hair with a straightener. I try to teach my mom and my sister because they always ask how I curl my hair with a straightener and they just didn't get it. I don't know, they just didn't get it. It's super easy and simple and it's way faster than doing it with a curling iron in my opinion. So let's just get right into the tutorial. Hair is pretty curly right now. This is my natural hair. What I like to do beforehand when I have curly hair is just kind of straighten like the top pieces so they don't look too crimpy when I curl it. That's just a personal opinion. You don't have to do it. I just like to because I'm extra. I section off my hair into two parts like this. Section off a piece. Section off bottom part like into like little sections here. So you just have like the first layer here. Okay, so I always start from the back. It's just easier that way. And what I do is writing on the front here, right here, nothing on the back. So what I like to do when I teach people, start with nothing on the back, no writing, if yours has writing. Start with no writing. So usually you would straighten hair like that. So that's basically how you would curl it. So you're gonna keep it up and down. And what I do is go like that and then turn it so that the writing is in the front and just go down with it. And then there you go. You have like your curl. It's super easy once you like practice a lot. My mom and my sister couldn't get it, but it's super easy. So let's do it again. So no writing on the front. Straight up and down, and you can hold the ends pieces. And as you're straightening, you just curl it so that the writing is in the front. You can't see it because my hand's in the way, but then there you go. You have a nice curl. Same thing, up and down, and then curl it as you're straightening down. And then see, that one kind of was like a flop, so I usually just go over it. And see, it's still kind of a flop, so I'll just like start at the ends here and then just curl it at the ends, so that way I get my curl. And then same with the little pieces. I just do those kind of fast. So it's super easy. You just hold it with no writing and up and down, and as you straighten this way, you're gonna turn it so that the writing's in the front. Are you ready? No writing. So practice just straightening that way, because I know some people do it this way, but if you practice just going up and down. So here we go, up and down, and then you can turn it so that the writing's in the front. And you can obviously like change your hand position, kind of like what I did there. I usually don't do that, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to. So here we go again. Up and down, turn it so writing's in the front, and then just go straight down with it. And there you go, you have a nice curl. Now this side can be a little trickier, depending on like what side your like dominant hand is on. So I'm a righty, so it's easier to do it this way rather this way. I'm kind of like, you know, my hand goes weird, but so that might be the hardest part about this, but overall it's easy. So again, I'm gonna take a section from the back. I usually go like this, just to get the hair out of my face, but so don't judge. So again, you're gonna start with no writing. The writing's gonna be in the back, so there's no writing on the front here. You're gonna go up and down, and you're going to turn so that the writing's in the front. And there you go. And a quick, easy curl. always wanna, oh, this piece didn't get curled. You always wanna make sure you curl away from your face because you don't want curls to like come inwards. It doesn't frame the face very well. No writing on the front. Straight up and down. And curl it away with the writing in the front. And go slow so you get a nice curl. If you go too fast, you're gonna have to keep redoing the curl. And there you go. Baby hairs are a little tricky because they're really short. So try not to like burn yourself. No writing, straight up and down, and turn while going downwards. So it's like you're straightening your hair, but you're adding a little bit of a turn to it. You know, for a while, took me a while to kind of get it, but I just like rewatched the same YouTube video over and over again until I finally got it. Because once you get it, it's super easy, so I hope I'm like explaining it kind of easily. It just might be a little difficult to just get the hang of it. So I'm all done curling my hair and it's just nice, soft, like beach waves. Nothing too harsh. You can always brush them out, but they're just super bouncy and kind of just like you didn't try. Kind of just like woke up like this, and that's why I really like it. And yeah, I know I look so weird because I have like no makeup on, but I'm about to go get a new license because somehow I lost mine. I don't know why. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope it was really helpful. I hope I can definitely teach you something, and I hope that you guys can learn how to do it. So again, remember, if your straightener has writing, so mine has like writing right here, and then the back has nothing. So an easy way to just learn is to grab a piece, which I'll just like go over this one, it's fine. And make sure there's no writing. Go up and down. You can practice just straightening like this, because I know some people straighten like this. Practice straightening up and down. And turn it so that the writing here is on the front. And there you go. Now you have like a really nice bouncy curl here because I took my time and was really slow with it. Now you have a really nice bouncy curl here. You can always go over pieces, so like down here if I want to go over this. But you don't want to do the whole thing, you just need the end. You start here and you do the same thing. Remember to curl away from your face. You don't want to curl towards because it's going to be hard with your hand. I hope that was super easy for you guys. And yeah, if you want any more hair tutorials, definitely let me know. Okay? Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.